Hi. In this video, you will be able to learn how to update the employee details in Sterlo. In an employee master, you can enter details like employee name, designation, department name, signature, and other details. Now we will see how to enter the details in employee master. Upon accessing the application, users will be directed to the pre-configured screen for their initial tasks. Select the configuration app on the home screen. Now from the taskbar, select the option button screens. These are the screen details the user can input the basic details. Here you can enter data based on their department, employee designation, employee master, project they work on, product details, and entities. For the current task, users may select the employees screen to update details. Here you can enter employee ID, name, date of joining, phone number, designation, department, and signature. To fill the department and designation data, you may have to update these screens separately. Now navigate to Screens, choose the department, and fill in the details. Update the details such as level number, short name, and details of the department along with a description and department mail ID. Submit the details and the data will be saved. Similarly, choose the designation screen. Fill in the mandatory details such as designation name and email ID along with the job description. Submit the data and it will be saved successfully. Back to the employee master screen, you can enter the employee's details here. Enter the ID, name, date of joining, project, phone number, and mail ID. The department and designation can be selected here. Upload the signature. Update the profile picture. Now save the changes. Using the search option, you can view the employee's updated detail. The employee details have been saved successfully in Employee Master. You can upload any number of employees along with their details here. For more videos, stay tuned with Sterlo. Thank you.